Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a while since I filmed a video, but today I am back and I filmed this makeup tutorial for you. So I just recently picked up the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Once I saw this on Instagram, I knew I had to get it. Look at this palette. It's gorgeous. Beautiful colors. It's perfect for the spring and summertime. So today I decided to play with color and this is the look I came up with. I also picked up one of their new highlighters and their setting spray, and also I'm going to be doing my whole makeup. So I'm going to be doing my face, eyes, and everything in this video. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelid with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. And then I'm using my Sonia Kashuk sponge just to blend it all out on my eyelid. Now I'm just setting my eyelids with a translucent powder. I like to do this so the eyeshadow can apply smoothly. Now for the fun part, which is eyeshadow, I'm taking the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm going to start off with the shade Coastline, and I'm just applying that on the crease as a transition shade. Next, we're taking this bright pink shade, which is called Bahamas, and I'm applying that right in the crease as well. This is going to really give that bright look to the eye look. Once I apply that, I'm just getting a clean blending brush and I'm blending it all out. Now I'm taking the shade Con, the bright beautiful purple shade in the palette, and I'm just applying that right in the crease, just to give the eye look a little bit more definition. And with my finger, I'm just getting the shade Bahamas, which is the bright pink shade again, and I'm applying that right where the transition shade would be, just because I wanted it to be a little bit more pink and give it more of a gradient to a purple on the crease. And now I'm just applying a little bit more of the Con shade, which is the purple, and I'm just blending it out into the pink shade, just to have a really nice gradient to the eye. Now taking the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, I'm going to be cutting the inner half of my eyelid. So basically where I didn't apply the purple and pink shades, I'm just applying that there just to give it a cleaner look to the eye. Now going back to the Riviera palette, I'm taking the shade Seychelles, which is a beautiful turquoise shade, and I'm just applying that right on top of where I applied that Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and this is just going to stick on really nicely on that. Now I'm applying my NYX matte eyeliner in the shade Black, and I'm just going to do a simple line. I'm not winging it out or anything. I'm taking the new Milani Highly Rated Mascara and coating my lashes with that. One thing I noticed about the Riviera palette, I just wished it had an orange shade, but it didn't. So I actually went into the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, which is a really good dupe for the Riviera palette, just so we all know. I'm taking the shade Hippie, which is an orange shade, and I'm just applying that to the inner corner of my eyes. And then going back to the Riviera palette, I'm taking the shade Inheritance, which is a gold shade, and I'm applying that right on top of where I applied Hippie. Now I'm taking this NYX Liquid Crystal in the shade Silver, and I'm just doing a little line where the cut crease is, just to give it a little bit of glitter to the eye look. I forgot to include the part of where I applied my lashes. I'm just wearing the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. Now onto the face, I'm taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and applying that on my face as a primer. This stuff is amazing. So I feel like I applied a little bit too much, but a little bit goes a long way with this product. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade M10. I actually am trying out a new shade in this video, and it was a little bit light, but I made it work. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Concealer, and I'm applying that under my eyes and on my nose, forehead, everywhere where I would normally highlight. And then going back to my Sonia Kashuk sponge, I'm blending it all out. To set my under eye concealer, I'm taking the Kat Von D translucent setting powder, and I'm taking this really cool sponge that I got from Walmart for like $3. This is a really nice sponge, and I love applying my translucent setting powder to my under eyes with this because it has that really nice sharp edge to it. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking this ColourPop powder in the shade medium dark, and I'm applying that all over where I didn't apply the translucent setting powder, just to set the foundation. Now I'm just wiping off the translucent setting powder under my eyes. I didn't leave it for too long. Now I did do my eyebrows off camera. I just used the DIPBROW pomade in the shade dark brown, and then I'm setting it with the Anastasia brow gel. To bronze up my face, I'm taking the Pretty Vulgar bronzer in the shade Mannequin, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks and my forehead. To contour my nose, I'm applying the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Going back to the palette, I'm taking the shade Coastline, and I'm applying that to my lower lash line, and I'm also mixing the shade Can and Bahamas. And then I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes, and we are basically done with the eyes. Now I'm taking this JOUER blush palette. This is the Bouquet d'Amour palette, and I'm taking the shades Kiss Me and Adore Me, a mixture of both, and I'm applying that to my cheeks. To set my makeup, I'm taking the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Mist. This smells so good. It smells like coconuts. It's amazing. I love this setting spray. And for highlighter, I'm taking their new loose highlighter in the shade So Hollywood. I just wanted to show you how shimmery these products are. They're so beautiful. The packaging is just amazing. So I'm applying So Hollywood as my highlighter. To line my lips, I'm taking this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade 09 Going Steady, and I am slightly overlining my lips. For lip color, I was actually torn between these two KYLIE Velvet liquid lipsticks. I ended up going in with the shade Savage, which is a really pretty pinky nude shade. The other one was called Commando, which is more of a peachy nude. But I went with Savage, and I love the way this looks with this eye look. And then I went over it with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Super beautiful. This gloss just goes really pretty on top of any lip color you want. And I just think this lip combo looks really nice with this makeup look. And that is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.